In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how can you use ChatGPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 together to create great videos. So, first of all, we have to go to Novoads AI. This is a site that have the two models. So now, here, we need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, first of all, we're going to go to the image section. Now, we have to click in settings. And in model, we're going to change the model to GPT Image 2. Now the quality from high to medium. And now, here where it says describe your image, we're going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. This is a prompt that is going to generate a girl holding a serum. And now, here in reference, we have to upload the image of the serum. So let's click here. And finally, here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose one of them. Personally, I liked this one, so let's download it. And now we have to go to the video section. Here, we're going to click in settings, and in model, be sure that the model is Seedance 2.0. Now in duration, I'm going to use 12 seconds, and now we have to click here. Here we have to choose the image that we downloaded, and finally, we have to paste a prompt. In my case, is this one. This prompt, as the other prompt, are going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here and finally in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Okay, my skin was so even, little dark spots everywhere. I started using this Serum serum, and after a few weeks, my tone looks way more even. Honestly, obsessed.
Well, as you can see, the video is really good. The only thing that I didn't like it is that Seedance 2.0 add some lights that personally I don't like it, but the video looks really good. It looks realistic and the lip sync is really good. So if you want to try these two models, GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0, to make videos like this one, or as the others that I have in my YouTube channel, where I have many tutorials, you can try today Novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you just can cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.